Hi everyone, welcome back to I Try series. So in today's episode of I Try, I will share with you I was able to make $10 per YouTube short I watch. So there are a lot of videos here on YouTube telling us that we can make up to $10 per YouTube short we watch. So I tried. I'm going to share with you I was able to make real money and my experience, my honest opinion about this particular site also. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Though there are a lot of videos on it, I decided to go with Ryan Hildreth's tutorial because it was very clear, easy to follow, and straight to the point. So in this particular video right here, this one,
Shorts videos, you can earn $100, and when you watch 50 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn $500 in a day. Back, this is Ryan Hildreth. Now, before I show you exactly how to earn $10 for every YouTube Shorts video you watch, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video.
He clearly outlined the step we should follow to make this $10 per YouTube short you actually watch. And I'm going to quickly run through what I did, show you how much I made, and then give my opinion about this particular site also. So the first step in making this $10 was to head straight to youtube.com and then head straight to the YouTube bar right here and open it, and it said we should choose a viral short. Now it clearly point out the kind of video and the niche we should work with. He said we should search for something in the Minecraft niche. So when you come here to the short bar, you're going to type short plus Minecraft and then copy a link of one of those shorts that have millions of views. So I decided to go with this one that has a lot of views. And the next step was to head straight to a website called shareand.io and then shorten that link. When you finish shortening that link, you should copy the link and head straight to minecraft.com and paste the link there and ask people to go watch that short. And then he actually mentioned 3 websites. The second website was reddit.com. You do the same thing, search for Minecraft groups and join, and then paste your link, ask people to go watch the video. And the third website was facebook.com. Join Minecraft groups on Facebook, put your link and ask them to watch the video. So those were the steps and procedure. Part 2, how are we supposed to earn this money and how much did I actually earn? So in all of these things, you see that you are not necessarily watching any video. Yes, darling. But then you're going to earn this money because you used a website called shareand.io. Now Shareand pay you for using their website to shorten any link. When somebody clicked through that link that was shortened on their platform, you are being paid. That's how we are going to earn this money in all of these things. So let me show you my dashboard if I was able to earn any money in all of this. Okay, before I continue, I'm going to take few minutes of your time and I apologize in advance for that. The first thing I want you to do for me is to like this video so that it will get to more people. They will know what is working and what is not working. Please save somebody from what is not actually working. Like the video. The second thing is for you to subscribe. The I Try series is still going on. This is where I try the most talked about way of making money here on YouTube, and I come here and share my honest opinion and experience about that particular site also. So subscribe and turn on the notification button so when I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to see it, watch it. That way you will know if it's actually working or it is not working. I'm waiting for you to subscribe and also like the video. If you've done that, thank you very much. Head straight to the comment section and say, I have subscribed. So I will send you a special welcome hug that is meant for new subscribers. Thank you. Let's continue. If you look at my dashboard right here, you see that I have $0, meaning nobody has clicked through my link and nobody has watched those shorts. Maybe somebody has watched the short because on this website it's clearly written here that you're going to earn $20 per like 1,000 clicks. So it's not exactly the way Ryan said in the video. They are going to get $10 per view. Rather, this platform will pay you for every 1,000 persons that click through that link and watch a video. You earn $20 and not $10 per shot. So that's that about the make money online watching YouTube shorts. Let's get into part 3, my opinion. Now, the first thing I want you to take note here is that you are not being paid to watch any YouTube shorts, darling. Did you see that with me? You are going to be paid for getting people to click through that link you shorten on shareearn.io, and then if 1,000 people successfully click through the link and then watch the short, you are going to be paid. And it's not very easy like that, because why would a website just pay you for using their services? Like, you're using their services and they're still paying you. There's something behind this. I'm going to show you. So look at this link I shot on. You see that if I click through this link, it does not take me straight to the YouTube short. It landed me on a separate website telling me to carry out some actions like entering my email, my name. This is actually an advert that I have to view and carry out certain action. So why I say it's not very easy is that if I see a link and I click through the link to watch a short, and the link landed me on this particular website, I'll click off immediately. I mean, I won't even waste one tiny second on this platform trying to like fill in all of this information they are requesting for. So you see that these people are actually using us to make money. Both the website and the YouTubers are creating all these clickbaits because it does not work the way they made it sound. I know you can properly make money on this website, but it's not going to be very easy. Like I point out, this is frustrating. This is annoying that I'm clicking through a link to watch a short and it's landing me on a platform that a lot of ads are popping up and it's asking me to save so many cookies and fill a lot of forms. It's not going to be that easy. You may still try if you want to, but be in the back of your mind that you are not being paid to watch YouTube shorts. You are being paid to get people to click a link and land on a website and carry out certain tasks like saving cookies, entering their email. And I don't know if after that you get to watch the short, because I didn't waste my time filling all of this form. The second thing here is that if you want to make money online, you have to learn a skill. It could either be a programming skill, a marketing skill, something that will make you offer value. You can solve a problem. So it can either be working for a company or starting your business where you sell a product that solved one problem or the other. Aside that, you're going to keep falling victims and being vulnerable to all of these clickbaits on YouTube, because I've tried so many of these things, and the one that works for me was something that actually required you to have a skill. Even though getting that skill is not difficult, you just have to watch a 45-minute video. But it's not some freebies where you sit down on your phone and watch an ad on a phone, or play a game, or watch a TikTok video, or fill out surveys. Those things may actually work out in some countries, but Africans, we've suffered in the hands of these people. And I think the best way is to get a skill or start a business. Because if you don't have a skill or you don't have a business, to actually make money online is going to be very difficult, extremely difficult, as most of this thing does not work the way some of us YouTubers made it sound. That's my opinion, and that's my counsel to everybody out there who cares to make money online in 2024. So I'll leave the link to a video I made on free courses that teaches how in demand skill. You can check it out. I will also leave a link to the video I made on side hustles that actually worked. So be sure to check out those videos, or I will even link the video here. And if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because the try series is still going on and it's not something you want to miss out. I bring what works, and I also point out what is not working, so you will know where to channel your energy, resources, and time to. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.